Welcome to another Kartra funnel review by Marketing Funnels Lion. But first, a quick disclaimer. At the end of this video, you will discover the Lion's funnel score and how effective the funnel is. Is it even worth trying or buying? Is it better or worse than some of the other funnels? Can it be improved, or is it a complete waste of time? We will provide you with the verdict. Is the funnel poor, average, good, very good, or outstanding quality? And we'll summarize the value by listing the pros and cons. Let's get started. Kartra funnel review number 9, Extended Membership Campaign. So what is the Extended Membership Campaign? It's one of Kartra's free funnels that is designed to take your membership to the next level by offering them an advanced VIP membership by paying an additional fee. The campaign comes with 6 pages, 4 videos, 2 tags, 1 help desk, 1 product, 1 membership, and 1 tracking link. Here's the chart, and we'll review this diagram in more depth in Kartra. Ready to go? Let's dive in. So let's import the campaign from the campaigns and the list of available campaigns. This is Extended Membership Campaign. Deploy it, campaign number 9, and import. Campaign shows now in a list of my campaigns, and let's take a look at the assets. So this campaign comes with a number of assets. Let's take a look at tags first. So we have the logged in and VIP tag. 4 videos, there will likely be placeholder videos. Let's see if these are the same ones as in other campaigns. Yeah, these are the same videos. Products, there should be the upsell from the regular membership to the premium membership. And there it is, extended membership, not complete. Configuration is not complete because it's not connected to a payment processor like PayPal or Stripe. I'll do this in a moment. Pages, we'll look at pages, membership, tracking links. Oh, that's interesting. The first time we see the tracking links. So let's go to tracking links. So there's a tracking link labeled lesson 1, and here's the tracking link. We'll see if it's embedded in the campaign in other places. Help desk, that's also the first time we see the help desk. Let's take a look at the help desk. All right, so the help desk, we can test this with a link. Happy to help you. Great. We have one department general. The message, let's say test 1. Test 1. I'm providing my first name, last name, which are part of the branding here. The email, the phone number is optional. So let's submit this ticket. Yeah, ticket sent. Great. So functional. We'll see in Kartra whether the ticket is registered correctly. And we have now completed the tour, except the membership itself and the pages. Okay, let's take a look at the membership first. There are 2 ways of auditing and editing the membership. So first one is by clicking on 3 dots and going to the login link. And I'm going to log in as administrator, which bypasses the upsell, but I want to see the overall design. So overall design, you can see is matching Kartra's color branding, but it's a very basic functional. We have category 1, category 2, and that's where likely the upsell process will happen. But we'll test that in a moment as well. Okay, so cancel that. We'll go to the product and try to figure out how the sequence of upsell is supposed to happen. And by the way, in the meantime, the help desks came in. I tested that twice. That's why there are 2 tickets, and we can review them in here. So there is test and test 1, and that is correct. They are currently marked as pending response. You can see that they can be marked as resolved, deleted, and they're also currently unread. All right, so the help desk is functional, and it's certainly a very helpful feature. So let's take a look at the products. I have reconnected this product to my PayPal, so it no longer shows that it's not ready. Let's edit this product. Actually, sometimes it's helpful to look at the checkout and let's see the actual setup of it as it would have shown to the user or a buyer. All right, so there is monthly reoccurring, and there is the VIP, which will be the upsell. Great, so that works. Now let's try to figure out how do they actually enable that automation and where is the tracking link. I don't think that we have any sequences, so the automation will have to, there's no sequences, so the automation likely happens on the membership/product level. So back to products, we'll walk through this product setup here. Extended membership, nothing special here. Pricing, you can see 2 types of pricing models here. There is a refund policy, nothing special in here. The pages, we should pay attention to that because this is where the initial offer will be made to sell. And there are 2 thank you pages because there are 2 product pricing levels. Checkout, display the help desk. Very good. Nothing else seems to be different from a typical setup. No lists, that's a bit disappointing, and no tag selected, also a bit disappointing. So why not? The question might be asked, why not give somebody access? Not so much access, but why not put them on a list? Why not put them on in a correct tag so you have some sort of a reporting? Membership, that should be access to the membership, and it's to okay, so when somebody buys this product at level 1, price level 1, they will be added to the main membership, and the upsell will get them access to the VIP. Okay, fair enough. We'll review that information in more detail. No affiliates, I doubt that this is set up. Okay, so let's take a look at the chart, and then we'll dive into the pages to see if we can figure out how this funnel is being created. One thing we didn't look at is an expiring tag. So there's a membership area, and there is an expiring tag, at least according to the diagram, and then there is a process of upgrading to extended membership area. Back in Kartra, and we'll take a look if the tags are indeed set up as expiring. So logged in, so likely this one will be an expiring tag, and it is. Oh, interesting. So if you don't upgrade your membership, your your membership will expire. You will lose this tag in 2 hours. That's not a lot of time, isn't it? This one shouldn't have an expiring tag. No, it doesn't have an expiring tag now. Let's see if we have any automations. We don't have automation, so that's interesting. How are they revoking the access to the membership itself? Because the expiring tag will not revoke the membership. So that is not clearly explained anywhere in the documentation, meaning the video. And I don't see any automation that would revoke the membership. So we'll see, because I'm going to opt in, and I will see if my membership is revoked. So now it's time to look at the pages. We have 6 pages, I believe, 6 assets. Great. So let's go to pages. I'm going to open all of them. There are different classrooms I can see. I'm going to open all of them in separate tabs. Let me pause the video for a moment. So I had a quick look at the pages, and I have to be honest, I either don't understand the idea here, or there is something missing. It's possible that I don't understand the intent. However, Kartra doesn't offer any documentation for this specific membership. So I open all of them in sequence. You see, there is this is my prefix. This is the 9th campaign that we are reviewing for you, and there are sequential numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there is only the membership login page. So there's no sales page here. So this campaign is not going to do anything on its own. It has to be bolted on another campaign because it doesn't sell anything. It does have membership, and it has lesson plan 1, and you can see you'll need to be logged into the membership in order to access this page. I don't know what that means. I will create an account in a moment. Nothing here. You see, you have to be logged in. There are different classrooms. I'm curious what will happen if I click on not a member. If I'm not a member, it takes me to the shopping cart. Great. So what I will do is I'll pretend that I purchased that product. I will change this to a test mode. So as you can see, this is the $1 purchase. So I'm going to go back to products, and I'll change it to the test mode, and it will not be able to process real orders. Back to the membership, and let's see if we can test that. I might have to refresh it so it reloads the test. Some of this information is pre-filled from a cookie, as I used this earlier on. So let's see what the next screen is. This is only a test order. Good. Submit a payment. Great. I'm just submitting a virtual $1. Okay, so what happened is the thank you page or completion page takes me to back to the login page. You know, in a strange way, it does make sense. So what I'm going to do is check my email for the login, and I'm going to log in into the membership. All right, so I got my login information, and now I can log in into the membership. All right, so we have couple of categories, but also we have a number of pages that require access before the content can be revealed. So let's see what happens. It logs me in, and I'm landing in opening headline, classroom A. Is it the same? Opening headline. It appears that all pages go to the same. Is there anything locked? No. So I don't see the option to actually upsell to the full membership, as nothing is locked. So while the concept is really good, I don't know where the upsell will happen. And I don't understand how will the expiring 2-hour tag trigger some sort of a revocation of the membership. So unfortunately, this funnel will score very low. We'll probably reset everything to 0 because it's non-functional. It has no value. It has no value because all we get is really these very basic pages. So sorry for wasting your time. A bit of a waste of time for me. Well, it's never a waste of time because we did learn something that when you post a free campaign, perhaps it should have a little more value than just a set of very basic pages. All right, thanks very much. The recap is coming next. So the verdict for this funnel, the Lion funnel score, is 0. Unfortunately, it's not usable in its current format. And we don't recommend using this funnel for anything practical. There's nothing of value in this funnel. It was a good idea, and it's a free funnel. However, the execution completely failed. There's no documentation. The upsell is not configured, even though there are 2 products. The expiring tags have no connection to anything that we could trace, and maybe there is something there in the background, but if you don't provide documentation, it will never work for anyone. So you can see it's another failed funnel. There are good funnels. You can see the list. We have reviewed 9 funnels, free funnels provided by Kartra. You can certainly pick a decent funnel and work with it. Number 9 failed. So far, as you can see, the daily deal campaign is one of the best funnels, but we're still far from a perfect funnel. If you find this content useful, click on like and subscribe. It helps our channel and you'll get notified when we post the new content. So thank you in advance. Visit our page for more information and to join our free membership with Kartra tips and tricks and free downloadable funnel templates. Do you want to be part of the community and have the access to live Q&As? Join us on Patreon. Thank you for watching. Next video is coming soon.